There is a growing citizens movement demanding an explanation of chemtrails.
And I talked to my NSA buddies at Fort Carson, Peterson Air Force Base, and Buckley, where I was actually their doctor taking care of the pilots flying and spraying the chemtrails. So I know it's real. If anybody says it's not real, they're full of it.
It's not the same as conducting some localized test for some defensive project. This is open air operations. It's not a test. This thing is in place.
It didn't start till about 1996. Exactly. And, growing up my whole life, a condensation trail disappeared, the 20 seconds, a minute, 2 minutes. And now it can be in the summer at like 4,000 feet, and there's these big clouds behind jets. Some jets leave it behind, leave a trail behind them. Other jets at the same flight level, same altitude don't. And, instead of just getting into are they spraying us or what's changed in the jet fuel or what's changed in the atmosphere, there are tens of thousands of declassified admissions under different programs where different Pentagon programs, different agencies of the government have tested chemical, biological, and radiological agents on the American people.
Talking about this a few years ago was extremely dangerous.
Rocking the sky. Chemtrails rocking the skies again. Oh yeah. Look at her belly. I'm blinded over here. Douchebag sprayer. Green. You gotta spray in the skies again. Whispering clouds of aluminum and all that. Yeah. Just a shot in the always screaming out for Can you taste the sulfur? The barium aluminum. X marks the spot. That's all I got to say about that. Whispering clouds of nausea. X marks the spot. Yeah, baby. Can you breathe now? Can you breathe? Can you taste it? Barium aluminum oxide. Whispering pellets of trash. Well, that's the chemtrails for today, folks. Well, I'm sure there'll be more. Oh, butterfly. Ooh, did you see that? That was cool. Alright. Later. Alligator. And we're not done yet, folks. Here's a playing like the dickens. Yeah. Hey, baby. Look at that. Whoa. Creatures. Chemtrails rocking the skies again. Excuse me. So we got quadruple. Look at that. Stupid bees, man. No, there's another one. Look at that. Oh, that one. Just a moving and a doing. Oh, yeah, there you go. Spray that puppy. Spray. Ooh, yeah. Hey, all you non-believers out there that think chemies don't exist, well, they do, and they're going all the same direction in Kennewick, Washington. They got a destination in me. It's in your lungs, it's in your water, it's in your food, it's in your grass, it's in your kidneys, in your liver, and your brain. There you have it. Happy health to you. This is what our tax money goes to. You deny all you want. In blue and white. And they spread out like that. See you next time. When I see another one, which probably not be too far off in the future. Bye-bye.
Why do they want to keep this quiet? Why aren't they talking about this? Why don't they want us talking about it? And you can only come to the conclusion that they're hiding something.
Now, do you believe that this is a full-scale secret operation that includes not only the U.S. but Europe and the rest of the world?
Well, that's apparent because you can see the pictures from all over the world, and I get them constantly. Some areas are worse than others. The excuse for this is, number one, weather modification, number two, to save us from global warming, and number three, to save us from the terrorists. A lot of these programs, of which there are many patterns and which has been designated as wake vortex simulation carried out by NASA Langley Research Center, many of these operations and the patents go on to explain how if there is a biological attack by terrorists at some point, that these exercises and practices will, in a sense, save us with the spider webbery that comes down from the aerosol spraying, potentially gathering the chemical mass spray that could be sprayed on any given population. The problem with that is the terrorists don't have the means to deliver this. They don't have the access to deliver this over the American populace per se. And the only people who have been doing this, that is biological experiments on the American people, is the military themselves, which has been admitted from everything from Operation Shad to the spraying that happened in San Francisco, I believe back in the 60s and the 70s, that literally killed people.
Again, I may not be able to ascribe intent, but what I can say is that it is expected that there will be increased mortality as well as the potential of a huge host of unknown pathogens that we are subject to, and this is not based on speculation. There's a whole arena of biological research that we haven't even begun to touch on.
Could a strange substance found by a Southwest Arkansas man be part of a government
found in our sample?
At a community in San Bernardino Mountains has a little mystery on its hands. The official explanation here is that jet contrails are causing strange lines in the sky.
What effects barium has on the body. Short-term exposure can lead to anything from stomach to chest pains. Long-term exposure causes blood pressure problems. Ryan addressed concerns by chemtrail researchers that barium could be meant to wear down a person's immune system.
You're talking about dominating our air supply without the human consent in a way that is difficult for many of us certainly to conceive, and certainly many of us refuse to accept it even in the light of sufficient and overwhelming evidence.